What is up, guys? It's Fawzit. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys a brand new strategy for trading binary options, and this strategy is highly effective. And so let's get into the video. So the first thing you want to do is you want to set your indicators and your oscillators. So I'm just going to put you through on how you're going to do that. Just going to go to your oscillators first, and you're going to set your MACD. So your MACD is going to be 12, 26, and 9. You're going to set that up. So once your MACD is set up, you're going to set also your parabolic saw indicator. Parabolic saw EMA of 8 and the EMA of red. EMA of 8 and EMA of 20. So once you set those three up, you're good to go. So let's get into the strategy. So the first thing you need to do is to check your MACD, then your parabolic saw. So how do we do this? Let me zoom into this real quick. So very good. So right now we're having something on the MACD. It's about to be a crossover on the MACD, but the parabolic saw is above. So if you want to trade up, we must see the first 2 or 3 dots under. You understand what I'm saying? If you want to trade up, the parabolic saw must be down. If you want to trade down, the parabolic saw must be up. So let me show you something here real quick. So over here you can see this, the crossing on the MACD, right? So wait a few minutes, the crossing on the parabolic saw. So you trade down for 3 minutes, and possibly you must have won this trade, just possibly, because the market is really volatile now at this moment I'm recording this video. So you can see the win rate is 30%. So I'm not going to make any trades on this. So just to demonstrate to you guys, let me just make a live trade out of this. So right here we have to wait for this market to actually come down, so we can see there's a crossing. So we're going to wait for the parabolic saw to come below. So once the parabolic saw is below the charts, we can make the trade up. So I'm just going to wait this till it crosses, and I'll make the trade.
A few moments later.
As you can see, guys, we have the first parabolic saw below the charts, and our MACD crossing has crossed over. So and you can also see on the Instagram, the MACD is now on the upper side. So we have a clear signal to trade up, but I'm going to wait till the close of this candle just to know the direction the market is going to go. So you can wait till the close of the candle before you make the trade, and to be on the safer side. So I'm just going to wait 20 seconds for the candle to close, and I'll make the trade. So I'm going to make the trade right now. So let's see. So for 5 minutes you're going to trade up. So if I'm going to lose this trade, is because the market is really volatile, and there's poor return rates. You can see the return rate is just 30%. So I'm just making this video just to keep on my schedule of uploading on Mondays and Thursdays. So I hope you guys will enjoy this strategy.
A few moments later.
As you guys can see, the trade was a solid win. So if you have any questions about this strategy, please hit me up on the comment section below. So MACD crossing, parabolic saw, that's all you need. You can just use the EMA as confirmation. So if you like this video, please leave a thumbs up, and if you're new to the channel, I'd like you to kindly subscribe to the channel, because more content will be uploaded very soon. So stay tuned for more, and have a nice day. Bye.